and 6th verses. Check 1, 2. Boy, can you hear that? I hope so. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with the greasy black peel. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between the two of you, I take the seasick crocodile. Super nos. You're a crooked, dirty jockey, and you drive a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. Your soul is an appalling dump heap overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of rubbish imaginable. Mangled up and tangled up. Heart is full of washouts, your soul is full of gum. The 3 words that describe you are as follows, and I follow. Stay, stop. Yes, good job, Pisa.